Welcome to Showroom of DECNO.
This space is more than just a product display. It's a living showcase of our design philosophy, manufacturing stress, and design aesthetics.
Floor and wall panel here use our SPC tiles,
which realize overall application of SPC products from floor to wall.
Since our founding in 2011, DECNO has expanded 4 global production base.
We've always stayed focused on our core strategy, quality as our foundation, and the innovation as our driving force.
Next came our patents and certification.
We have obtained more than 100 domestic and international patents, along with multiple global certifications.
Today, our products are sold in more than 80 countries.
And we are proud to be a trusted supplier for over 600 global building materials brands.
Let's sit here together and immerse ourselves into the latest products and designs. Here, we use mini-size herringbone and non-cut bending installation. This is our ultimate pursuit of refinement, craftsmanship, and aesthetics. Here is our product function display area. Here, we demonstrate the floor's performance in terms like water resistance, fire resistance, reflecting our high attention to product safety. This is our future form gallery. Hundreds of excellent designs are presented here. We have made leading contributions to the color trends in different markets. There are hundreds of products here, which are the ultimate exploration of aesthetics by the R&D team and designers. This is the art and the light. The same floor, different color temperature, different experience. This is our thinking and the expression of spatial mood and color perception. We welcome customers from all over the world to visit. Here, we can not only see the products but also feel the value and trust.